guys, today we are showing you how to make pepperoni chips in an air fryer.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun.
Here we go.
Listen, I'll bring it right up to the mic.
Totally crispy.
Attractive, huh? Welcome back to another edition of Goode Chris's Dishes for a Foodie Friday here on As Good As It Gets. Cooking up recipes from recipes.crock.com. Hot chick over here, it's her food blog, and today we're going to teach you how to make
air fryer pepperoni chips.
You ever want to do like parties and stuff, but you really still want to eat low carb? Because I'm really trying to. I've been failing here lately, but here this week we have been working really hard to turn things around. And it's like we're talking about having like a summer party at our house, you know? And we want to have chips and dips and all kinds of stuff. And well, when you're eating low carb, there's lots of chips that you can't have. And as much as we love pork rinds, after a while it gets old. So we want to try something new, but something flavorful. And somebody came up with a really good idea.
Yes. So I've seen people make pepperoni chips in the oven, and so I got to thinking maybe we could do it in the air fryer. So what I decided to do was try it out in our air fryer, and so we've tested it both in our traditional air fryer and then also in our Foodi, and it is amazing how nice and crispy they come out just like that. It is super simple. It works the same way in both. You just put a layer of pepperoni down and then you cook it for 8 minutes and it's done. Now,
perfect.
I will tell you with the air fryer, at the end of those 8 minutes, it will, my traditional air fryer will have flown around the pepperonis.
It blows them around everywhere.
Yeah, and they all kind of pile up, but they still turn out super crispy. I've tested batches and batches and batches. But you told me when you tested it in the Foodi,
it didn't really move them around much. Now watch, we're going to put them in there and it's going to blow them everywhere.
So the super trick to this is you just put down a thin layer of them. You don't, ours is hot because we've been cooking it.
Yeah, if you see that down in the bottom, that's because we just made a batch of them.
Yep.
It's completely okay if that's in there.
So you just
And I'm not just saying that because I didn't want to wash the dish.
Well, he might be.
Well, yeah.
Anyhow, so you just put a layer of the pepperonis down like you would on a pizza. And you spread them out, and we're going to cook this on air crisp in the Foodi or on a traditional setting on your air fryer at 360.
It's okay if they touch, but I wouldn't lap them over because you really want that dry air to hit them.
Yeah. And they are going to shrink up. So when they shrink up and they become nice and crispy.
Yes, but that's okay.
Yeah. Fun fact. My name is Cris. My legal name is Chrissy. And
you want to agitate her? Call her Christopher.
No. That doesn't actually agitate me.
Well, it's because when I get in trouble, she goes, Michael! And it just, you can't do that with her because when you go, Chrissy, it just doesn't sound as authoritative. So I go, Christopher.
What I was trying to say is autocorrect always autocorrects my name to Crispy.
Yes, so. She's Crispy Dude.
So.
Alright, so we're going to set this on 360 on the Air Crisp feature, and we're going to set it for 8 minutes. That's all it takes to make these. No other prep needed. And so, well, we could just keep telling you about our weird nicknames, or we could just go, hey, we're going to show you this in 3, 2, 1.
So now it's time to see.
I already know because of Pete. Okay, so in the Foodi.
Now, I think Mikey's been telling us some fibs, guys.
I swear the last time I did this, they stayed put. This time it blew them around a little bit. But still,
it's going to be fine. I don't think they start blowing around until they've already started crisping up.
Yeah, because they're lightening up, you know. And
yeah, and they still come right apart. Are you going to show them coming apart?
I just showed them that.
Anyhow, they fell. Oh! I'm not real good at this part. Okay, watch out. It's hot.
Let me in here. Let a true professional do this.
So they fell right apart. So they're not going to get stuck together. Like I said, I don't think they start flying around until... Oh, yeah, that. Ooh, ooh. Woo! You're dripping everywhere, baby. Yeah, that's so much easier. Yeah. And you're getting the oil with the pepperoni.
So,
don't do that.
Don't do what I just... Don't scratch the pot, neither. Remember when I said get a true professional in here? What do you quit making such a mess? Oh my gosh. Anyway, you get the point. You put one layer down in the bottom, they blow everywhere, you make a mess in the kitchen.
But anyhow, we love this because this gives us a crunchy snack to go with a lot of our crock pot dips, which are all naturally low carb, or most of them are. And this gives you like a low carb, crunchy dipper for it. But because we don't have any slow cooker dips cooking right now, I just grabbed some French onion dip from the fridge.
Yes.
And we're going to use that to do our taste testing. So
watch this. If I was to take this and bring it right up here.
It just broke on me. Like a real chip.
And I do this, get me a little bit of dip. Ooh, and they're hot too. So that dip kind of melts on them. Listen, I'll bring it right up to the mic.
Totally crispy.
Attractive, huh? Those are super crispy. Oh my gosh, that goes really good with that French onion dip.
Yep. So this is a way to kind of curb that crunchy, chippy, salty, if you're a salty snack fan. And I will even say, if you aren't low carb and you're like, hey, that kind of sounds good, it's
just like eating chips and dip.
Yeah.
Only a lot more protein. You know what? This would go really good with a beer. So guys, fellas who like to eat salty snacks, well, ladies too, I'm not going to leave y'all out. If you like a good beer, that would go really good with a beer. Ice cold soda pop. Or a Coke if you're from down south.
I like it.
In 8 minutes, you can have an amazing snack. Those are really
honestly, it makes just about a snack's worth in the air fryer or the Foodi. Like if you were going to do it for a party, you're going to need to do several batches. But if you're just doing it for an afternoon snack, 8 minutes, boom.
Well, we're just sitting there stuffing our faces because it's really good. So, if you like what you're seeing here,
I've got it all over me.
you do. You're such a mess.
I know.
Hey, give us a like down below if you like what you're seeing. Also, if you would and you wanna be a member of the Crock Posse, all you gotta do is click that little subscribe button down below, and boom, you are a welcome member of people that love to come and watch me burn myself, dump stuff everywhere, her get food all over, and every once in a while we make some pretty good dishes too. Also, if you want to know as soon as we put up a new video, click the bell that we call the
ding-a-ling,
and it'll let us know that you want to know as soon as we put one up, and we put them up all the time. And y'all, the most important thing here, laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye, guys.
What time is it?
2:30.
It's close enough. I'm going to go grab a beer.
Bye, guys.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.